Welcome! If you're looking to stop Discord from automatically enabling streamer mode every time you start streaming or open programs like OBS, you're in the right place. With the latest Discord update, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step. First, make sure your Discord app is open on your PC. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of the window. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under this section, you'll see an option called Streamer Mode. Click on Streamer Mode to access all the settings related to this feature. Inside the Streamer Mode settings, you'll notice several toggles and options. The one you're looking for is called Automatically Enable Disable. This option is what makes Discord turn streamer mode on or off automatically when it detects streaming software like OBS or XSplit running on your computer. To stop Discord from automatically enabling streamer mode, simply toggle off the Automatically Enable Disable switch. Once you do this, Discord will no longer switch to streamer mode on its own. You'll have full control and can turn streamer mode on or off manually whenever you want. That's it! You've successfully disabled the automatic streamer mode feature on Discord. From now on, you won't have to worry about Discord hiding your sensitive information or changing your notifications every time you start streaming. If you ever want to re-enable this feature, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for making the most out of your Discord experience. Have a great day and happy chatting!